Hi, I'm Russell Dulaney, and in this video I'd like to show you the RD1500 LED panel manufactured by Red Dot LED. This is how it comes packaged. And here is the quick setup instruction sheet. It's really easy to use. We'll go over that in just a second. So for the accessories, it comes with a pair of eye goggles. Here's the main power cord. This is a daisy chaining power cord for hooking up multiple units together. And it comes with a metal bracket for hanging it over a door if you'd like. And then you use these cables when you're hanging it over the door to help secure it. And then also when you're hanging it over a door, they give you this cable pulley system, and this helps you to adjust the height that you'd like to have it on the door. So here's the unit itself. It's actually quite heavy, and it's all metal, very rugged construction there. You see it's got a lot of LEDs on the front here, and then on the side here's your control panel. It's got the display for how much time you're going, and then model, time, and OK buttons. Model selects whether you're doing red, infrared, or both. Time adjusts how much time you're going to expose yourself for, and then OK turns it on and off. You'll see on the back, here's the main power switch. This is the daisy chaining switch. Here's where you connect the main power cord, and then the daisy chaining power cord goes here. When you're hanging it from the door or connecting it to multiple units, they give you these posts on the top, and you have these holes on the bottom there. We also sell, there's a stand that you can put this or multiple units on as well. So why don't we go ahead and plug it in and turn it on, and I'll show you how it works and the output. This is a standard 110 volt plug. With the switch off, I'm going to plug it in to the main power cord slot right here, and then I'll turn the switch on. And then on the side here, you see now it's on the control panel. I'm going to switch it to red only. And for this is, let's see, time you see is like 5 minutes. You can keep adjusting however you'd like. So when I hit OK, then the unit will come on. And then I have a red light meter here so we can actually measure the output. This is a model 9.6 from solarmeter.com, and its peak response is 633 nanometers. This unit is at 660, so it's close enough. I'm going to hold it out about 5 or 6 inches away, and you can see the output is about 32, 33 milliwatts per centimeter squared. So that's really good on the red light output there. Now I'm going to hit the model button and switch it to just infrared light, and then hit OK to turn it back on. And it's important to understand that the human eye cannot see infrared. We see from 400 to 700 nanometers, and this is outputting like 850 nanometers. So to show you the output, I have a global solar power meter here. This is also from solarmeter.com, model 10.0. The peak response is at 960 nanometers, and again, this is at 850. So it's, again, close enough for our demonstration here. You can see, again, I hold it out about 5-6 inches, and we're close to 800. High 700s, low 800s in that output region right there. So again, really good output for that. I'm going to hit OK, and then why don't we hit model so we got both red and infrared on there, and recheck it. On the red light meter, just over 30 again, 32, 34, 33 milliwatts per centimeter squared. On the red light. And then for infrared, this is over 1,000 now. It's showing 1,070, 1,060, right around there. So you can see it's really good output for red light and for infrared. So I'll hit OK and we'll turn the unit off. And there it is. So if you'd like more details on that, I'll include a link in the description down below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.